As you can see, I took my hood off, my GMC Canyon SLE 2007 truck. See, I had it like chained way up high right there. See that board right there on both sides. Then I had it wrapped around the middle so it won't fall back down when I took it off. I think I had this stand right here up too though, in the middle of around in the hole. Even when I was getting ready to take it out and I removed it. Right when they need this up. After up there I had everything in the middle. See, I took the light off right here, one of them. Go right around that hole right there. But you gotta have it like, I think you gotta turn it like counterclockwise like that. To the left. I think this one might be the same too. I took it off before, but it's hard to take off when I'm trying to do it on this camera. It's either left or right. You gotta move it. Yep, I got it out again. I took it, I moved it right like that. So in the end, you gotta go left like that, but I put, yeah, this way right to get it out. Then I moved it out like that. See this one right here. It's hard to see, but yep, got it out. Press right to get it out too. On the end, see the light right there out. This one is harder to get. I can't still get this out yet. This one right here, but these are about the same. But here's up there, the door I took off right here. I sanded it for like, I think I used like 220, 320, no, 240. I used some 180. And yeah, 180, 240, and 320. Or 340 or something. I think it is something like that. But I still got to sand the other side. See some of these sides right here are low. It look like I just could paint over that. It ain't all the way, but a little bit you can see. Almost look like. And there it's like a little metal you can see, you know. It's only like a teeny bit. I think I can just about get away with this with just, because I was gonna put some epoxy primer sealer on it first, then up there. But if I had bare metal and stuff, I'll be putting like some 2K filler in the spots, 2K urethane filler. But still got to sand the other side. Here the stand. Let me see. You can see right here the stand I made. See, I got wood under there right there. I made it out like it's a walker thing. But that's about all for this video.